Hello, everybody. This is Olivia's Adventure. Today is November 9. It is the day we celebrate the feast of the dedication of the Lateran Basilica, the mother of all churches. We were there. I was so lucky. We were there last July 2025, and we were visiting the four major churches in Rome and also of Italy. I will upload the other videos, but we visited the four major basilicas, and that's why pala this church is so beautiful because it is the mother of all churches. Yan, look at the ceiling. I love the ceiling of St. John Lateran. Today, November 9, is the original dedication of the Archbasilica of St. John Lateran by Pope Sylvester in 324 AD. It is the cathedral of the Diocese of Rome, making it the official church of the Pope as Bishop of Rome. So, St. John Lateran is the official church of the Pope. There is a Latin inscription on the church that translates to Mother and Head of all churches of the city and of the world. It marks a historic moment when Christians would worship publicly and openly in a church building when this church was built.